station. And if you want this kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world and on the Wilson civilization. There's some miles in the east, at least they're settled in a final location. They understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Here, surgeon, very well, the brains, the smell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your chin, or is that boy you're waging? First boy in a go, I go south home. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Marry me, girl, be my ferry to the world, be my very own constellation. The teenage vibe with a baby inside, getting high on information. Buy me a stone and pull it out, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. And Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs of station to station? Out of bounds, not far away from Californication. Border raised by those who grip control the population. Everybody's been there and I don't mean on vacation. First for you to go, I go south home. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake shouts to a girl's guitar, that's just another good vibration. Tidal waves will sail well from California.